Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and unlock freelance opportunities with top-tier clients? Let's dive into how to create your Toptal account and start landing those dream projects. First things first, head over to the Toptal website and locate the Apply button, usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click it. This is your entry point. Now, you'll be presented with the application form. This is where you'll provide your professional information. Pay close attention to detail as you go through the form, providing your real name, preferred email, and professional background. Include your location. Within the form, you'll be asked to input a selection of languages you are proficient in. Include the languages you have mastery in. You will need to upload your resume, which highlights your skills and background. Think of the skills section as your pitch. Be as informative as possible. Once you've filled everything out accurately, review your application to make sure everything is correct. Then, click the Submit Application button. Check your email inbox. You should receive a verification email from Toptal. Open this email and click the verification link, which will activate your account. The link will reroute back to Toptal. Once verified, you can log into your new Toptal account. From here, you can start completing your profile with things like skills, experience, and a professional photo. Congratulations, you've created your Toptal account. Now you're one step closer to joining a community of top freelance talent and finding those high-quality projects. Good luck and start freelancing.